What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy Yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we're going to be teaching you how to nail your crossovers. Everyone tries this move and always they just fall into bad habits. So today I have a really cool drill for you guys to try at home. This is going to make sure that you guys are more accurate, slick, fluid, and more bossy with your ropes, all right? If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I've got tons more tutorials just like this one. And as always, we're backed up by the #1 jump ropes on the internet. Click the links down below, use Rush10 for 10% discount. Today, I'm using the incredible Nova rope. This is 250 grams, a little bit more thicker cable. And for sure, this drill and tutorial today is really key if you use a rope like the Nova rope, right? It's a little bit more weighted, 250 grams, like I said. It's gonna allow you guys to get the feel of where the rope is in the arc and also allow you guys to understand how your wrists need to be placed and positioned for the drill, okay? So today, here's the drill, okay? This is really quick and simple. I think this tutorial won't take too long. Is we wanna try and get your hands in a position which, one, feels comfortable for you, and two, it's a repeatable action. So that way, when you start building in the muscle memory, it's gonna feel like clockwork every single time. You know where the rope is, you know where your wrists are, and you can cross at will any day of the week. And you can also match it up with different footwork patterns, you know, do a bit of fancy feet, and it's always gonna look nice and slick, all right? So this is what we're gonna do, okay? I'm gonna get you guys into a position where you're gonna feel like you're almost stuck, all right? It's almost like we're learning a different move. This is called the double cross, and if you learn the double cross correctly, it's gonna allow you now to feel, well, how it feels to keep your wrists in a very good position compared to your body, sort of the length off the floor or the kind of height off the floor. We don't want to get you into a place where you don't know where to cross, where it's high or where it's low. So this drill, where we're going to learn the double cross here, if you can start to try and figure out the comfort level, where you want your wrist to sit, this move can only work if you feel sort of stuck, a bit rigid, all right? You got to feel like you're hugging yourself consistently or continuously. And then what we need to do is really drill that body position in, that wrist position in. To learn how to do this move correctly, we have to stay in this position, all right? So now the arms are close to your body. They're not going to be away from your body. And this is a really common habit, common fault mistake that I see people doing with their crosses, is that when they come to crossing, I'm going to turn side on, they cross out here, they let their hands come away from their bodies. This drill here is going to make sure that you keep these hands tucked in, because the only way you can do this drill or this move is to just keep the wrist rotating around us, right? And you're gonna know for sure that your arms need to be closer to your stomach or your torso, right? So drill this bit in. We're gonna just do 10 reps. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick tutorial, guys. You're here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm doing it with a boxer step, but you can do it with a basic bounce, or you can even do it with a running step. But what I want you to take away from this video today is feel where those wrists sit. And then secondly, this movement here, this kind of cross, that's how you need to feel your crossovers. If you're starting to cross down here, and I've said it on so many different videos in the past about crossovers, if you cross here at your wrists, this is always gonna break down because the rope is not wide enough to pass your body. Whereas when we do this drill, it's gonna teach you how to truly kind of feel that hug, where we hug ourselves, all right? Secondly, the next part of this drill, which is really key, is now it's going to teach you to give this rope a little flick around to keep the momentum going. That way, the rope has enough speed and also the loops and the arcs will stay nice and fresh. One common fault I see is when people do the crosses, it's so armsy that the rope just has this jaggedy look about it. It doesn't have enough speed around your body. So the key to a really nice, crispy crossover where the rope creates a really nice figure of 8. The only way that happens is because when I start the cross, I give it a little push, a little nudge, a little flick. So the double cross drill now teaches you how to get that flick going. It kind of ingrains it in your body. And that way, when you now come to doing your crosses at speed, we can keep the rope moving fast enough so that the loop will always remain a nice shape. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. Really nice, quick, sharp tutorial. Hopefully it works for you. If it does, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you're struggling with or what you'd like to see going forward. And as always, I'll get it done for you. And as usual, thank you so much for the support on our ropes and our apparel and gear. You guys are absolutely amazing. And thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button and like button and just, yeah, keeping this channel going. I'd love to see so many more of you guys flying boss with your skipping ropes. And yeah, it's the best job in the world, man. I can't thank you enough. So I'll check you in the next video. So until next time, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.